LR parser. What is LR parser? We studied LL. Then what is now LR? The LR parser is a non-recursive shift reduce bottom-up parser. Okay, it is also we are using the concept of shift reduce, and it is come under bottom-up parsing. See, it is uses widely classes of context-free grammar, which makes it is the most efficient syntax analysis technique. See, LR parser, it is also called as LRK parser. See, the K means that number. It can be 0, it can be 1, like that it will change the name of the parser. LR parser is also known as LRK parser, where L stands for left to right scanning of your input stream. R stands for construction of rightmost derivation in reverse. And K, what about K? K denotes the number of lookahead symbol to make the decision. K denotes the number of lookahead symbol to make the decision. Okay, this is called as an LR parser. Okay, now LR parser, it's come under topic of bottom up parsing. The same thing I am telling for here. There are three mainly LR parser can be divided into three parts. Then what are that? First one is called SLR1. SLR1 parser, it is called simple LR parser. See, this is we are covering for today's class. It is called simple LR parser. It works on smallest class of grammar, few number of states, hence it is very small table and simple and fast construction. Because of that we are called as a simple LR parser. After that we are going to the second step. The second step is LR1 parser. This is called LR1. It works on complete set of LR1 grammar and generate a large table, large number of states. And it is a slow construction. Compared to this, it's a slow construction, and there is a complication from come across to this LR parser. Let me go for the third one. Third one is LALR1. It is called look ahead LR parser. Look ahead LR parser works on intermediate size of grammar and number of states are same in SLR1 table. Whatever it gets, the same number of states will become. I will tell you the coming what is table and what are the states for all those things. Just you have to remember that LR parser can be divided into three types. One is simple LR, second one is LR1 parser, third one is LALR parser. But for sake of for the question, we are covering only simple LR. We are not covering LR1 and LALR. Okay, it will take again the 15 days class for those things. Okay, because we don't shortage of time to cover the so many things in this. We're not for the out of syllabus, just we're covering only these portions also. If it is get mixed, you can do it, the problem. Okay, next we move on to what is the difference between LL and LR? We are already studied about top-down parsing, what is LL, and we are doing in bottom-up parsing, what is LR. Okay, the first one, LL, does a leftmost derivation, but LR, it does the rightmost derivation in the reverse. Here, start with the root non-terminal of the stack. Always start with the root symbol, but here start with the ends with the root non-terminal on the stack, but you start with the leaf nodes. Here ends when the stack is empty. It starts with empty stack. At the beginning, $E will be start here, dollar will be start. Use the stack for designating what is still to be expected. Use the stack to designating what is already seen in the stack. Builds a parse tree top to down. Builds the parse tree from bottom up. Continuously pops a non-terminal of the stack and pushes the corresponding right-hand side. But here, tries to recognize the right-hand side of the stack and pops it and push the corresponding non-terminal into the stack. Expands the non-terminal, reduce the non-terminals. Reads the terminal when it pops one of the stack. Reads the terminal while it pops from on the stack. Pre-order traversal of the parse tree. Post-order travels of the parse tree. You have to keep it in all the mind points with respect to quiz question. Okay, pre-order traversal of the parse tree. LR parser is the post-order traversal of the parse tree. Okay, this is the one example for how to do for LR and LAR. You did. This is we start from the leaves and towards the root. It is called as an LR parsing. We start from the root towards the leaf. It is called as an LL parser. Scan left to right, compute the leftmost derivation, and using look at token. Okay, I will get a one common question. Take down. Take down. Why LR parser? Why we are going to LR parser? 2 marks question. Why LR parser is attractive? Why LR parser is attractive? The reason you have to write down. For the grammar to LR it is sufficient that a left to right shift reduce parser to be able to recognize handles the right sentential form when they appear in the top of the stack. For a grammar to the LR is sufficient that left to right shift reduce parser be able to recognize the handles of the right sentential form when they appearing on the top of the stack. Including that, we have 3 more points why we are using LR parser. See, LR parser can be constructed to recognize all the programming language construct for context-free grammar can be written. Then LR parsing is a method, the most general non-backtracking. It is of non-backtracking shift reduce parsing method because also one of the positive we are using LR parser. Third one, LR parser can detect syntactic error. LR parser can detect syntactic error. This is the third point why we are using. Fourth one, the class of grammar that can be parsed using LR methods. The class of grammar that can be parsed using LR method is a proper subset of the class. Is a proper subset of the class of grammar that can be parsed with predictive or LL methods. It can be parsed with predictive parser or can also be doing with a LR parser. Okay. The next. So here also we are using to parse your given input. The grammar is given, table is constructed, then I have to parse my input by using what? SLR parser or simple LR parser or any LR parser. This is the common components are using. We required an input. Yes, we required an input. Then I required a stack to push and pop, and I required a table. See, the table I required to parse my input. The table is called SLR table. Here we are constructing SLR table. There we are constructing predictive parsing table in top-down parsing. Using predictive parsing table, you are doing stack operation. But now we are constructing SLR table. The XLR table contains action and go-to parts. There are 2 parts are there in the table. One is action. The second one is go-to. This table is called as a SLR table. Using the table and you have to take the input and the stack. We are parsing the given input. So there is an algorithms are there. Algorithm for constructing for SLR parsing table. That is also carrying for 7 to 8 marks in the exam. Okay, that algorithm you have to remember. Okay, next. Techniques for creating parsing table. What are the 3 techniques? Just now I already told. There are 3 types of parsing techniques are there. First one is SLR. What is the first one? The first one is SLR. SLR is nothing but construct parsing table for small set of grammar called SLR. Easy to develop. This is the first technique. The second technique, CLR. CLR. SLR, simple LR. Second one is CLR, canonical LR. CLR is canonical LR. It is a most powerful, a large parse table, more difficult to develop, and it works for all types of context. We may detect position of error in where exactly that error can be done. That can also identified by using canonical LR. The last one, LEALR. The LEALR is look-ahead error. Widely used method. Optimize the size of the parse table. That means it may reduce the parse table compared to this by combining some states, and information may get lost. While doing that it will lose some information, but it will also get the correct answer for that. Okay. See, now we have to think about only for today's class, what is SLR parser? See, please make a note. Steps for construction of SLR parser. These steps carries 10 marks. That means not for only the points, you have to learn one by one for the point. Steps for construction of SLR parser. The first SLR parser. Can you take down? The formation of augmented grammar. The formation of augmented grammar, G dash. See, the question is given as a G. This is my grammar is given. Something will be given. For this grammar, the first step I have to make a augmented grammar. Augmented grammar can be denoted by the grammar name is G. Then I can start with G dash. The G dash derives G I am writing. See, I am writing new production. The new production start terminal is G dash. G dash derives the given problem start production. That is called augmented grammar. This is the first step you have to do. A formation of augmented grammar G dash for the given grammar G. For the given grammar G. Second step. I will go one by one later. Just you copy down the steps. Second steps. Construction of LR0 collection of items. Very, very, very important for the LR0 items. Construction of LR0 collection of item. LR0 collection of item. If you made any wrong here, complete problem, you will get 0 marks. Okay, you will not get proper output if you do like this. Construction of LR0 collection of item. See, if to construct your LR0 collection of item, we are using these techniques, below techniques. What is the technique? To find LR0 collection of items, we are using function closure of I. See, there are 6 lines of code as an algorithm. In the exam, you can also ask this also for 3 to 4 marks. Write the algorithm for closure of I. To find the LR0 collection of items, closure of I and go to is also function go to on I comma x. These I are representing states. We have number of states I0, I1, I2, dash 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 IN. This is called states. Go to or state I comma x. X are non-terminal. Depend on the grammar, you have a non-terminal. ETF. What are all the non-terminal in your grammar? That is belongs to capital X. To find LR0 collection of items, closure of I and go to I comma X to be computed. The first step you have to do like this. Alright, just to take down the only steps. The next slide we will do it the problem. Okay, after I got LR0 item, what is the next step? The next steps you have to find in first and follow. What is the next step? Finding first and follow for the non-terminal. Same concept of first and follow. But don't apply left recursion and left factory. Bottom up parsing, you have to forget about left recursion and left factory. We not applying because bottom up parsing, it directly parse any type of grammar. It won't go for only that type of grammar should be there or not. After first and follow, you have to construct parsing table. This is an algorithm. We have an algorithm. Using algorithm, I am constructing parsing table. Once the parsing table is over, it's over. Let me move on to the next step. If in the question we have parse the given input, then there is also one more algorithms are there. Using that you can parse it and you can show the output is accepted by SLR parser or not. Okay. Then first step, augmented grammar. See, I will show. Okay. See, I will solve the problem first. Later, I will come back to what are the theory portion you have to remember for that. All of you, can you take it in the first problem? First problem. Construct. Simple problem only I will take. If you take long form, it will be difficult to understand. Construct LR0 items. Construct LR0 items, and sometimes it is also called LR0 automata. We have to write automata. DFA automata we are writing. LR0 automata. Construct LR0 item and LR0 automata. For the grammar, S derive, SA or capital A derives small a derives small a derives small a, and also show stack operation or parsing the input. Stack operation for input. Stack operation for input A. Input A. The smallest problem compared to all next coming problems. This is the simple problem answer. Okay. See, shall I start?
Yes.
Okay. The first step. What are the first step you written in the classwork? What are the first step?
Formation of augmented grammar.
Yeah. Formation of augmented grammar. See, then how to do formation of augmented grammar? What is the start symbol here? Yes. For this yes symbol, I am writing one more new non-terminal. See, I am taking new non-terminal. Yes, that I am doing formation of augmented grammar. Start with new non-terminal. You can take any non-terminal other than this. Other than S and A, you can choose any non-terminal. See, for that, I am taking the new non-terminal as a S dash. S dash derives start symbol. Which one is the start symbol?
Yes.
Yes, you have to write down this. This is the first line. This line indicates I am rewriting my grammar with augmented. See, augmented is it is come under the error productions. In the syntax error recovery, you written no. There are third one. The third error recovery, we are writing augmented grammar. So the augmented grammar is nothing but you are writing new non-terminal with your start production. After this start production, you write down the normal whatever given in the question. What is given? Yes, derives. Yes, A. Yes, derives. Yes, A. So you can write A alternative or you can write it in the next line. Yes, derives A. Both are same. You can write in same line or you can write in different line. Both are same. The last one, Capital A derives A. 1 marks. Just I am writing the only one extra production, that is S dash. Just I included the first line. The remaining as it is I am writing. This is called augmented grammar, creating a new non-terminal with the start symbol. You can take that. What I am writing? Creating new non-terminal symbol with start symbol. See, any doubt in the first step? Shall I go for the second step?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the second step, carefully listen. I am going for the second step. The second step is construction of LR0 items. Construction of LR0 items. What is the function I am using? I am using function closure. The closure of and go to function I am using. Okay. By using closure and go to function, I have to use construction of LR0 items. LR0 items by using go to and closure function. Then what is meaning? See, carefully observe. See, I have to find out LR0 items. The LR0 items can be any number of items can become. See, that items it is stored it in states. That items is called a state. See, first I am writing default state, initial state. The initial state always start with I0. You have to take initial state, it will start with I0. I am applying closure for that. The first state I am applying, you have to apply I0 is equal to closure of, what is the start production you written in the augmented grammar? What is start production you written?
Yes,
Yes,
dash.
dash derive. See, very carefully observe. Yes, dash derive. Yes, right. But before yes, I am putting one more dot. Okay, this dot is very important. In the whole problem, you are doing only dot. Dot moving. Okay, dot is very, very important. See, the first production you are writing. Just observe. I'm not doing anything. Just I am taking the first items as I0. The I0 is I'm representing. I have to find out how many I0 will be getting in my problem. That is called as an LR0 item. LR0 item is nothing but set of states. This is an I0 is the state, first state. I0 state. The next I have to write I1 state, I2 states, I3 states. I have to find out in until IN state. With respect to the given problem, number of states are different. See that states, I have to find out these states. We had to apply the closure of the first production. The first production I am doing. What is closure? The closure is nothing but you have to take the first production in the augmented grammar, normal augmented grammar. Within that you have to include dot productions also. This is dot production will be used in the bottom up parsing of SLR parsing, when to shift into the stack and when I have to reduce from the stack. There are two things are happening in the stack. One is shifting, one is reducing. To decide when can I shift right hand side into the stack, when I can be pop up from the stack. To decide these two things in LR parser, we are talking about LR parser. LR parser, to know about shift reducing parsing, when I can be shift, when I can be reduced, we are using the concept of these dot. See, when the dot, for example, S dash derives S dot. See, I have to moving dot or right hand side one at a time. See, I am after some productions, the dot will be moving at the end of the dot. See, when I am moving dot at the end, it is called reduction state. See, we are in these states, you can reduce. For example, you have a grammar S derives SA. Correct? Second production in S derives SA. Assume now we have a dot here. The next step, I have to move dot next one position. S dot A. Okay, next position. I have to move this dot to the right hand side. S A. See, when the production dot contains at the end of the production, this is called end of the production. See, in these states only you have to apply reduction. In these state you have to apply reduction. Dot is at the end of the production. Dot dot, wherever the dot is at the end, you can apply reduction. See, the dot is in the beginning or dot is in somewhere else, anywhere in that. It is not in the end. It is not in the end. In these cases, I can do shift operation. Why? So why I am dot is using? I am using dot when I am shifting to the stack and when I am not shifting to stacks. Okay, for that we are using this dot production. This is called closure operation. Any doubt? Just I am writing only I not state. Okay, now this is called I not state. Just see closure only first time. The closure I am applying for S this derives dot S naught. Okay. See, while writing S dash derives S naught, you had to write. See, now dot S is there. Then you have to write on all the production of S with dot at the beginning of your line. Can you tell me what are the production of S now? What are the production of S? This is I naught. I'm applying a function closure of S dash derives dot S. Now it will show I naught is equal to, I have to write all the production of dot S also. What is the dot S production? You take the given grammar, argumented grammar. S dash derives S, S derives SA, S derives A derives A. Okay, this is your given grammar for the first step. See, the first step I am taking, I am applying dot of the beginning of this. I am taking, this is the closure of S. See, I am writing here. See, if the first statement, what production I got after the dot, you check the non-terminal. What is the non-terminal? Capital S. You take all the production of capital S. You take all the production of capital S, putting dot at the initial position. Putting dot at the initial position. You have to write like this. Dot SA. This is over. Again, this is also S production. After S production, I have to write that also. I am copying S derives. I am applying dot and A. Okay. S dash derives dot S. Because of dot S, I am copy turning the all the production of S with dot production. Dot in the initial stage only. S derives dot SA. S derives dot SA. See, after copied down for S production, look at these I naught state. Do you have any non-terminal with a dot production at the beginning? Do you have any production a non-terminal with the dot? See, dot S ಇದೆ. See, dot S I already copied on two production. Then no need to copy it on once again. See, now I got dot A. Dot is in the beginning production. What does the rule say? If it is dot A is a non-terminal, then you had to copy all the productions of A into in these I naught sets. It is says through the algorithm, do you have a non-terminal A? A have a dot production at the beginning. You just copied on A productions also. What is A now? A derives A. that A derives dot of A. You should be copied like this. A derives dot of A. See, after copy downing for capital A with this, you have to check it out this. Do you have any non-terminal here? Do you have a non-terminal here?
No, ma'am. No.
No. I don't need to. No need to copy anything. Now I can end my I not set. This is your first I not set. So this is called closure. While making clearly how to write my closure set. The closure set says the first line you have to copy it as it is. The beginning of the argument grammar for the first statement. Yes, that direct dot. After copied all your dotted, you should be copied all the production of non-terminal capital S with dot at the beginning. Because of that, I am copying dot at the beginning of S. Once you copied on for that production, you have to check any of the non-terminal newly occur and that dot is at the beginning. Yes, I have a newly occur capital S, but S productions I already over. Then I have a one more is capital A. Capital A is the new thing. For that, I have to visit my all the production of A. I have to copy that A derives dot A as a production in this grammar. Okay. When it is not come, I will tell you by using another. The next step. See, this step is over. See, now I have to find out what is I1. The second one is I have to find out what is I1. To find out in for I1 and for all those things, we have to apply go to function. See, we have to do go to function. Go to function is nothing but I want to move my dot production right hand side at a time only one. You have to move dot production See, for that we are applying go to function. See, only the first time I'm applying closure, I have to apply go to function to find out my set of items. How to find out set of items? I have in the I naught state. We are in the beginning I naught state. After the dot, what is there? You have a yes. See, I will tell you 3 times. Don't worry. Just check it out. What I am writing. See, I am in the state I naught. I have to move all the productions of dot in these sets. The first S dash zero dot is after the dot what is there? After the dot I have a non-terminal dot S is there. I am applying I naught for the dot S production and what are all the production will be generated by using this you have to write down. Carefully observe. I will recap once again. See now I am in the I naught state. I am moving the dot of this S production. How to write is this you have to write S dash derives. I am moving dot at the end. I am moving dot at the end, comma. In check any one of that right hand side dot S is there. S is in the beginning. Dot S is there. Yes, you have a S derives. I have one more production. Dot S is there. How to write? Capital S derives. Just move dot to the right hand side. What happens now? Yes, dot A. Just I am moving dot to the right hand side of the production. Yes, dot A. Do you have any production with dot S? Third one, you check it out. Is dot S is there? Beginning of the production.
No.
Third line. What is there? A. See, if you want to do this action, you have to write like this: I naught on A. See, when I get I naught on A, I naught state, I am moving dot of the non-terminal capital A, then only I can take these things. But now only I am moving yes, I can't able to take now. See, any doubt in these two steps? Just I am moving this dot to next step. I am moving this dot to the next states. See, after writing, see one more rule, just observe. Just I am go to function, I mean go to nothing but go to andre a dot na one steps forward agi move madadu. Just go to is nothing but dot production moving one steps to the forward. Okay, after forwarding, do you got any non-terminal have a dot production? You have to check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ dot last ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, no need to check anything. But here, see the dot have non-terminal. After dot you have a non-terminal. After dot you have a non-terminal. See, you can observe. After dot you have a non-terminal. You had to copy all the productions of A, all the production of A with dot production. You had to copy, take down the statement with an arrow mark. So when after applying go to function of I naught on yes, comma, if you get dot production on non-terminal, then we have to copy all the production of A, all the production of A with dot production, under the closure anta karitare. You have to apply closure of A anta karitare. We can apply closure of A. Closure of A means you have to take A, you go to the problem. What is an A? A derives A. You have to write dot A. Apply closure of A andre A lira productions ke dot haakbit barkobeku. What are A? A I have only one. A derives dot A. Now you can close it. Because in I naught state, yes, I have only one production. I naught state on yes.
Hello, ma'am.
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ ಎಸ್ ಏನಿಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ ಎಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಎಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾನು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಡಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಈ ತರ. ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಡಾಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್, ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು. ಡಾಟ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಂಥದ್ನ ನಾನು ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದನ್ನ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ನಾವು ಗೋ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಗೋ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಈ ಡಾಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಡಾಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಡಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಡಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಗ ಗೋ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ end. When all the dot production at the end, then I can end my go to production. Between this you can get any number of state. ಆ ಗೋ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ I1 in ನಾಟ್ ಇಂದ IN ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು LR0 ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಆರ್ LR0 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ವೆನ್ ಅಪ್
ಎಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದು ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಇನ್ನು ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಂದು. ಇನ್ನು ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ? ಎಸ್ ಡಿರೈಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಂತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ಕೊನೆವರೆಗೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? I2 ಕಂಡಿಡಿಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ I0 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. I0 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಗೋ ಟು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಗೋ ಟು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನೀಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ I0 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ನಂಗೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಎ ಇದೆ. ಏನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಎಸ್. ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಸ್ ಇರೋಂಥದ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I0 ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋಟುಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀನ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ I0, ಎ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? I0, ಎ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಏನಂತ ಬರಿತೀಯಾ? ಎಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಸ್ ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀಯ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಸ್ ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀಯ. ಇದು ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ? ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಇದೆಯಾ ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದೊಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡಾಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ I2 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್, ಹೊಸ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದನೇ ಇರುವಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ I2 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೀನ ನಾನು. ಡಿಡ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್,
ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ I2 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಳಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಸ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? I0 ಆನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. I0 ಆನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ I0 ಆನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್?
ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಡಿರೈವ್ಸ್ ಎ ಡಾಟ್.
ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು ನಿನಗೆ? ಸಾರಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಡಿರೈವ್ಸ್
ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ ಡಾಟ್.
ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ ಡಾಟ್. ಡಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಇವಾಗ?
ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು.
ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗೀತಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಇದ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗೀತಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್? This is new production. This new production. This is I3. I can give it a name. See, all of you listen now. I am applying a dot production on goto function for every symbol. The first I am applying capital S. This is called as an I1 state. I1 state is equal to goto I0, X. I got these three production. Once again, I will write it. Okay. S dash derives S dot. S derives S dot A derives A dot. After that, I have to check for the next production in I0. Still A is not completed. Then I am moving go to I0 on capital A. I0 on capital A, I am moving dot at the right hand side. S derives A dot. So I have only one production and dot is also end of the production. No need to apply closure for this. I can give a name as I2. Third one, we have left with one more. In I0 state, I0, capital I0, A, then I can write A derives A dot. This is your I3. See now, one nimsha, I will write it clearly for those who are not understanding. Please listen. The first step I write argumented grammar. Second step I am find outing for I0. I0 can be applied closure of S dash derives dot S. Then because of dot S, I have to write all the production of dot S. S derives dot SA and S derives dot S. And S derives capital A. Because of capital A, I have to apply closure of capital A with small a. Okay, this is now end for the I0 set. Once the I0 set is over, then you have to go for the goto statement. Goto function I have to apply for goto function of all the non-terminal in the right hand side of your I0 state. How to write? You start with I1, goto on I0 state. The first one is capital S. I am moving dot production for the capital S. See now after moving I got as S dash derives S dot, comma, S derives S dot A. Do you have any other production with dot S? I have only two productions, sir. Do you have any other production? I have only two production, this and this. See, after moving dot at the right hand side of one position, you have to check whatever the resultant you will getting. Do you have a dot at the beginning of your non-terminal? You have to check. Do you have a dot at the beginning of your non-terminal? Yes, I have this production. After the dot, I have a non-terminal. Because of this, you have to apply closure of non-terminal A. Closure of non-terminal A andre you have to write A production. A productions yavide small a ide, but you have to put dot also. You have to apply closure of non-terminal also. Because of that, I am writing. Now I am ending my condition. Let me go for the next. Only dot at S and S is over. I have to do for the next state capital A. You write go to function I naught state. What is the new terminal? A I am doing. See, you just move the dot on right hand side. Yes, there is A with dot. See, dot at the end of the position. Then I can end my these states. No other items can be entered into the state. It is called as an I2 state. New states. That still small a I have to move for the dot at the end. We are going. The next state is go to. Still you are in the state is I naught only. I naught, I am moving small a. You take the small a is equal to, you have to write. How to write? Capital A derives A dot. See, dot at the end of the production in these things and only one production, then you can end. And this is also new states. Before giving a new state, you have to check any of the previous stated, the same set of items are there in this flower bracket. You have to check that one. Check that states is already there or not. Okay, now I am moving dot production in the I naught. All the I naught will over. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ I naught ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Do you have anything in I naught? Can check it now. S ಮುಗಿತು, capital A ಮುಗಿತು, small a ಮುಗಿತು. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆಯಾ? You have to finish up first I naught. Okay, let you move on to I1 state ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಇವಾಗ. Just observe I1 state. I1 state ಅಲ್ಲಿ where is the dot at this in this production? Dot is where?
Yes, ma'am.
End. ಇದು ಮುಗ್ದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? That production is already over. Then you have to move. How many production you have to move it? I want to move these dot production. And what is the symbol? What is the symbol you are moving?
Yeah, ma'am.
Capital A. ಏನಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? What can I write now? Go to. We are in which state? Very good. We are in which state? I1 state. What is the symbol I am moving? Just this one. What is the symbol I am moving? Capital A I am moving. Capital A moving. See, okay. What is the states I now am getting after moving? Yes, there is. Yes.
Yes.
A
dot.
dot. La dot ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Last ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Do you have any other capital A? Do you have a capital A here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Can I close my flower bracket?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now this also completed. Okay. Now, what about this? Is it dot at the end of the production? Is dot at the end of the production?
No, ma'am.
No. Then what to do? Then what to do? How to write now? Can I give this is an iPhone?
Go to.
Can I give that is an iPhone?
Yes, ma'am.
ಕೊಡ್ಲಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? Okay, next. ಇವಾಗ next.
Go to.
Very good. Go to
I1, comma.
I1, comma.
Small
ಯಾವ್ದು
a.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು after the dot? ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ?
Small a, ma'am.
Small a. Let it take small a. Let it take small a. Okay na? Small a is over. Okay. Then ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? What is that productions? Capital A derives?
A dot.
A dot. Dot ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತು? Last ಗೆ ಬಂತು. Can I end now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ಇವಾಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. This items is already there or not. You have to check every time. The items is already generated or not. You have to look backwards. ಈ items ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು states ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ? Only A derives A dot ಅಂತ ಇರಬೇಕು. A derives A dot. It's already there.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the
Yes,
state number?
ma'am.
What is the state number?
I not,
I-
ma'am.
You check these states. What is there in the I3 states? A derives A dot. Both are same.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any other extra set in that I3 and last one? Both are same. Is it right?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
no need to give new state I5. Don't give new state I5. If that is already there in the any one of the previous state, then you have to give the same state number. What is the state number? Instead of I5, it
I3,
is
ma'am.
see I5 it is equal to what? I3 only. That state is equal to what? I3 only. It will not generating any new states. It will not generating any new states. Okay, I1 is over now. I completed all I1 states. Okay, na? Just I am moving dot at the next position. I am moving dot at the next position. You check I2 state. I2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಏನಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಡಾಟ್ ಮುಗ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ? ಡಾಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes,
I2
ma'am.
state, yeah, that is also completed. Okay, I3 state, dot at any in the middle state or at the ending state.
Ending statement.
Then that is also completed. Then I no need to apply goto function. I4 state, dot is in middle state or it is the ending state.
Ending statement.
Then that is also over. Next, last state, dot at where? Ending
Yes,
state.
ma'am.
And this is also now if you are to find outing for LR0 items till at the end of the production, ನಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು? How many states I got in?
4, ma'am.
I0 to I4, I0, I1, I2, I3, I4. This is called LR0 items. It is called what? LR0 items. These are all states. I0 to I4 are called as in states. Sometimes it is also called canonical items. Find the canonical items. You will get a questions like this. Find the canonical items and keltare. Then I can apply canonical items for these one. Okay, see, these canonical items can also constructed by using DFA. So you can follow the way. See, I will write now DFA. Whichever you comfortable, you can choose that one. You can directly can find out LR0 items in DFA. So sorry. DFA also, but exam prescribably asking write separately DFA and LR0 item. We should be write separately for those things. Okay, let me go for the third step. How to construct DFA by using LR0 items. All of you copied on this LR0 items? Matte barila. Shall I do once again for this LR0 items for the same problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, one minute. I will write once again from the beginning. Okay, what is the first step? First step, construction of augmented grammar. Augmented grammar. How to write augmented grammar? Start with a new non-terminal capital derives yes. S derives what? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. S derives A. S derives A and A derives A. First step is over. Any doubt? Okay. Second step. What is second step? Find outing for LR0 by applying closure. First closure ಹಾಕೋಣ. I0 closure ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? Closure on S dash derives dot S. S dash derives dot S. After that what? Because of dot S, you have to write production of S. ಏನೇನಿದೆ production of S ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಗ. Production of S ಏನಿದೆ? S derives.
Yes, derived.
Dot is a
Yes, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಏನ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು?
dot.
Dot.
ಡಾಟ್ ಹಾಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದೆಯಾ ಎಸ್? ಎಸ್ ಡಿರೈವ್ಸ್?
Yes, ma'am. A.
ಬರ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಡು ಯು ಗೋಟ್ ಎನಿ ನಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಡಾಟ್?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ. You can close your flower bracket here. So why I am telling is, yes, there is only small b, then after dot you close here, then go for the go to function. Clear? No need to write every question in the closure set. That is the mistake made by the students. While writing closure, carefully write down. See here, capital A is there, I am writing the capital A. Instead of capital A, you have a small b. Then I am writing small b. The small b is a new non-terminal symbol? No. Small b is a terminal symbol. Then no need to add in the closure set dot A. This is wrong. Clear? When to be written?
Yes.
This is clear? See, this is if you have B. See, S derives B. Now, after dot S production, you have to write all the production of dot S. S derives dot A, S A. S derives dot B. So, do you have any new non-terminal with the dot production? Out of these production? ಈ ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿದೆಯಾ?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ಇಲ್ಲ. Then you can end closure here. Closure is completed. Okay. Then you have to move it to your go to function. How to do go to function on I naught on S? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? I naught on S. S derives, you are moving. S dot. ಇನ್ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? Dot S ಅಲ್ಲಿ S derives S dot A. Okay. Okay, now do you have any more S dot S here?
No,
Only
ma'am.
two production. I'm moving S derives dot S, S derives dot SA. See now, after applying for this, you have to check these and this production. Do you have any new non-terminal with dot production? I got this one. Dot A. Because of dot A, see after moving your dot at the right hand production, you have to check once again, is it required any closure of the non-terminal? Closure of the non-terminal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ನಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದು ಡಾಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಎ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. A production in the given problem, you have to write dot at the beginning ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Dot at the beginning ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Clear? Clear when to write closure?
Yes,
ಮತ್ತೆ ಡೌಟಾ? ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕೇಳಿ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಜರ್ ಆಫ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಸ್. You just moving dot at the right hand side one position. I got first production. The second is also after the dot I have a capital S. Because of that I am moving dot at the next side. After get S dot A. Once I am moving dot at the right hand side, I got a non-terminal in the dot production. Because of non-terminal, I am writing the productions of A. I am writing the productions of A with a dot at the beginning. Now I got A derives dot A. Okay na?
What about S derives B, ma'am? S tends to B ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅಂತ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಇರೋ ಎಸ್ derives B ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ನಾನು? ಇನ್ನು ಬರೀ ಇದೊಂದೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ, ಎಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಬರೀ ಎಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಏನ್ ಎಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ಗೋ ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಎಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ? ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ? ಬಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಪ್ಪ ಇವಾಗ? ಬಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದಾ? ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? ಹೀಗಾಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಹೌದು.
ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ ನಾನು? ಬಿ ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ. ಇದು I1 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ಲಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ I2 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. I2 ಮುಗ್ದೋಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ I1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿತಾ? ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಿ. ಯು ಡಿಡ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಿ?
Yes, ma'am.
I not ಮುಗಿತಾ? Shall I go for I1 state?
Yes, ma'am.
I1 state ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Which one shall I want to do? This is completed. Dot ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Dot at the end position. This is already over. Then I want to do this one. Dot ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Middle ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? It's not at the end position. I have to move this dot at one look at right hand side ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. Right hand side ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? Go to state ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? Which state?
I1 ma'am.
ಯಾವ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ನ ನೀವು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
A capital A.
ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ. ಲೆಕ್ಕ ತೆಲೋಟಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಸ್ ಡಿರೈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I will do 10 problems, don't worry. S derives S A dot. Okay, ಲಿಖಿತ್ ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಡಾಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? I1 ನಲ್ಲೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀನು. ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ? Because you are applying go to function on capital A.
Yes, ma'am.
ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ. ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ I1 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ. Okay, because then you can end here. Okay na? Okay, let me go for the last one. What about this one? Shall we do? This is I3 state. What is an I4 state now? What is an I4 state now?
Go to
I1 on small
yes,
a.
small a, ma'am.
What happens now? A derives small a. See, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಡಾಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಡಾಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes. S dash derives dot SB ending. S dash derives dot I1 is over. Then come to I2. I2 is dot at the end of the position. Yes, is over. I3 dot at the end of the production. Yes, over. I4 dot at the end of the production. Yes. Now I can end my LR0 computation. This is another problem. Just I will take it for your reference. Be here. Don't confuse with the first problem and the second problem. So do you have any confused? Why I am taking B to explain closure of the I0 state. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಾ? Shall I go for the next step?
Yes, ma'am.
Still, if you have a confused, you still keep it in your doubt in your mind. I will write the next step diagram. Then you will get an easily understand. Okay, shall I go for the that done?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
That
Yes,
is with
ma'am.
respect to first problem, not B. This is capital A only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any doubt? Shall I go for that? Same problem, I will take you with the same thing. See, I will take first one. That is called as an automata. First step. ಯಾರು ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ, just observe ಮಾಡಿ. I will tell you, give the time to write up. So first you have to write the box. First ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? First you have to take the S dash derives what? Yes, S dash derives what? Yes. Yes productions ಯಾವುದು? ಎಸ್ ಎ ಬಂತಾ? ಎಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಡಾಟ್ ಎ ಬಂತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ನಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೋಜರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಎ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೀರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ I0 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ I0 state. This is your first state. Okay na? ಇದೊಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು arrow mark ಹಾಕಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಯಾವ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ?
2, ma'am.
I want to do these two.
Ma'am.
These two production I have to move dot at the right hand side. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I have to move these dot at the right hand side position. Which one is there after dot? Yes symbol, right?
Yes.
Yes symbol, right? Okay. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? S dash derives
Yes, dash, ma'am. Yes, dot, ma'am.
S dash derives.
Yes, dot, ma'am.
What is one more production?
Yes, derives. Yes, dot, A.
Any doubt? Any doubt now? S dash derives
No,
S
ma'am.
A, okay na?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Clear ಲಿಖಿತ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ.
ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಈಗ 2 ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ನಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ನಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ.
ಎಸ್
ಯಾವ್ದು?
ma'am.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
Okay.
ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಇದೆ. ಎ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಎ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ?
Dot, A.
ಇಷ್ಟು
ma'am.
ಮಾತ್ರ
Dots,
ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
ma'am.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನಂತ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
I1.
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 ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಡೌಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ I1 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ I1 ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡೌಟ್? I1 ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ I1 ನ? See, I am moving capital S from the dot. I have a 2 production. I got S dash derives S dot. Then I have a second production S derives S dot A. Because of non-terminal capital A, I am applying a closure of capital A. Closure of capital A is nothing but A derives dot A. Clear? Shall I go for the next step?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what are the remaining in I naught state? Green color. I did only green color, 2 things. What is still remaining? Capital A. Is it right? I have to move
Yes, ma'am.
dot at the capital A. Can I write here? You can write anywhere. I have to write capital A now. Okay, now. Any
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me what is the production now? After moving dot at the right hand production, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Yes,
S derives.
derives A dot, ma'am.
How is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
How is it okay? Do you have a dot at the beginning of capital A or end of the capital A?
At end,
End of the capital A, then I don't want to add anything here. Is it right? That is only the one production. If it is end of the production, then no need to apply any of the production there. You can end the grammar. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಎ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? Do you have any more after the dot here? Only one or do you have any more?
We have
ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್
only.
ಎ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದಿದೆಯಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
One, ma'am.
ಒಂದೇನಾ? ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ?
Yes, ma'am.
I2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ಲಾ? ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? I2
No, ma'am.
ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ? ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೇನೆ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. Which one is I want to parse now?
Small A, ma'am.
Shall we go for the small a now?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
to write small a? Can I write here small a?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now then how to write it? Small
A
a is what the
derives
production? Capital A
A
derives.
Dot.
Capital A derives
A dot.
dot. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Capital A derives A dot. ಈಗ ಡಾಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Is there anything to be add? No. Can I end my box?
No, ma'am.
Can
Yes,
I end
ma'am.
my box? Okay, what is the number?
I3.
I3, ma'am.
I3.
ಈಗ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡದ್ನ I naught, I did all in green color, all the production
ma'am.
Go2 is over. I
Yes,
naught,
ma'am.
S is over, capital A is over, small a is over. I am not left any single production in I naught. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then after I naught, what is the next state?
I1, ma'am.
I1. See, I1 you have to check. I have to move dot production right hand side. For all the sets of I1. I1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಗೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to continue it. Okay. You check for the first production. Is it required?
No, ma'am.
Dot
No.
at the end. It is already over?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then you check the second production. What is second production? I have to move now. Move dot from where? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Which one? I have to move
A.
capital A. Capital A. How to get it now? Yes, derives.
Yes, A
Yes.
dot.
Yes. A dot.
Okay. Do you have any other production in I1 state? Dot A. Dot A ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ I1 ಒಳಗಡೆ? ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದ್ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು.
ma'am.
ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, ma'am.
ಲಿಖಿತ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, ma'am.
ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ನಾನು ಲಿಖಿತ್ ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು 2-3 ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. See, instead of calling for everyone, I will call Likit to understand in better way for that. Okay. Don't think only I'm explaining Likit. Okay. This is a class I represented. Just I'm explaining once again for that for whole class, not Likit. Okay. Capital A, I am moving. Shall I close my box? Shall I close my box now?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the number? Can I give it? You have to check previously. I0, I1, I2, I3. You have to check S derives SA dot is there already or it is a new state. You have to
It's
tell.
a new,
It's a new,
new
it's a
state,
new
ma'am.
state. What is the number? Can I give it now?
I4.
Thank you. It's an I4. Now you are in still I1 only. Is it right? You are in still I1 only. Which state is not completed? Green color mark. Green color. Which state is still
Small
is
a,
not
ma'am.
completed? Small a.
Small a.
Shall we go for the small a now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, small a I have to do how to do? Small a I have to do these computation. See what we are getting now? Small a if you compute now.
A derives A dot.
A derives A dot. Now check it out. These items is already there in any of the previous state. Check madi. I0, I1, I2, I3, I4. If any there, don't give new states. If it is not there, you have to make same state. If it is there or not. If it is there in
There.
I3. Then can I just rotate these to here?
Yes, ma'am.
Both are same. Shall I rub this one? Any doubt? See, A I am moving. A derives small a because it's already there in I3 state. Just I give that arrow mark to I3 states only. Any doubt? Please, any doubt? Shall I continue?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ಒಂದೇ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಸಿ ಇವಾಗ I1 is over, right? Now come to I2 states. I2 states ಅಲ್ಲಿ any other production should be in the middle of the production or at the end of the production. You have to check. End ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ no need to go outgoing states. Middle ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ you should be continue applying go to function. See now check I2. Is it required go to function of I2? Because already dot at the end of the production. It is also completed. Is it right? Is it ending state or still in go to function is required?
Ending state.
Ending state, ma'am.
Can I go for I3 now? Check now I3. I3 is an ending state or is it required?
Ending state.
Ending state. Shall I take? You come to I4. I4 is in ending state or is it required?
Ending state.
Okay. Now all are in ending states. How many states are there now?
I4,
To
ma'am.
I.
4, ma'am.
These are your set of states. I1, I2, I3, I4. These are called states. How many states are there? 4. I0 to I4 states. See which one you get? This block is easy.
Yes.
Better understanding.
Yes.
See now,
Yes.
if
Yes,
a box is very better understanding. If it is explicitly asking question in the exam to write LR0 items, from the box I will tell you how to write it. Okay, now you can write it. LR0 items. I0 is equal to closure. A box illadella copy ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I0 is equal to, what are the box now? S dash 0 is dot S, S0 is dot SA, S0 is dot A0 is dot A. See, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ marks ಮೇಲೆ dependent. See, marks how it is given, or else that diagram is only enough. Diagram is only enough. See, if it is explicitly if in the question paper, diagram is not asking find out for LR0 items, then you first construct the diagram. Later you copy down as like this. Okay, now I1 ಇಲ್ಲದೆಲ್ಲ copy ಮಾಡಿ. Go to I0 on S. You just copied on I1 box. What is there inside the I1 box? S0 is S dot, S0 is S dot A0 is dot A. Okay, na? Any doubt? It is better, I think. It is the better way option. If it is
Ma'am?
offline, yeah.
ನಮ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಬೇಕಪ್ಪ.
Already ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ, diagram ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. If you already copied, no, not required. Just you copied on the diagram and what are getting the sets also.
Okay.
ಅಲ್ಲ diagram ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಡವಾ?
ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Diagram
ಬೇಕು
important. Diagram is very, very important. In every problem, I will write the diagram. Don't worry. Okay. Diagram is called LR0 automata. LR0 automata ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ diagram ನ. Diagram ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು item sets ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರೀರಿ. Item sets ನ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು diagram ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರೀರಿ. It is your convenient. Okay. I show both the methods. See, item set ನ ಬರೆಯಕ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟೈಮೇ ಸಾಗ್ಲಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ I0 on capital A. You can leave it. But diagram is very, very important. Still problem is not end. ಇದೇ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Okay, now end of my LR0 items and LR0 automata.